Okay, so this is a feedback on the questions for waste minimization. So the first question is explain why a business would look to minimize waste. It's a 2-mark question, so I'm looking for 2 reasons there. So 2 points maybe. So waste minimization, explaining what a waste minimization is, and then reducing wastage will improve the efficiency of the business as less resources are used to produce outputs. Okay, so you need to give me 2 reasons why would business look to minimize the waste. Okay, now it's a 2-mark question, so make sure you're giving me 2 points. Okay, now next question, outline 2 waste minimization strategies. Okay, again this is 2 marks. I've taken here pull, focused and piece flow, but you can do full focus, piece flow or zero defects. I don't mind. So as long as you're explaining the 2 strategies, I'm happy and okay with that. Okay, now the third question, Sunsense is a sunscreen manufacturer and is looking to implement lean management, propose and justify lean management principles, and explain how they will allow Sunsense to reduce waste without negatively impacting on customer value. Okay, now this is a 4-mark question, so look at the task words there, propose and justify. Okay, so you need to propose what you think is best for the customer. So Sunsense can use the principles of Timwood. So Timwood, again, this is the abbreviation, so make sure you're explaining each one of those words. What does it do? So this focuses on reducing the 7 common forms of wastage experienced in manufacturing. Now again, the sunscreen manufacturer can look to analyze their production process to ensure when creating their paint and delivering it to their customers sorry, my son's asking me questions in between, so I'm pausing a little bit, sorry about that. So where was I? Questions there, reducing unnecessary transport, avoiding excess. So again, they are totally explaining these words here: transportation, inventory, motion, defects. So just explain all of them here in here. Doing this will improve efficiency as it will look to remove wastage by using less resources. Okay, so giving the reasons why this is going to be helpful for the business. Okay, removing the wastage, using less resources, and it will additionally help to improve the effectiveness. So efficiency and effectiveness are the keywords in here, so make sure you're using these words in the questions often, because operations management is about efficiency and effectiveness. This allows the business, it allows them to produce products customers value and increases competitiveness. Okay, it doesn't have to be word to word like this. It could be in your own words, but this is just a sample answer. Okay, bye bye.